you're 22, broke, and your best career option is counting numbers at an accounting firm for $48,500 a year. Most people would take the job. Scott almost did, but then his college buddy Mike sent a desperate email to their entire graduating class. Who's crazy enough to start a company with me instead of getting a real job? There were no replies, except one. Scott responded with, "Screw the suits, let's do this." And initially their business strategy was simple. Make more than $48,500, never work for anyone else, never wear suits, never. So they maxed out a $10,000 credit card to start an IT company, but the software they used to manage it all was so bad that one day they said, "Screw this, we're building our own tracker." That moment of enough is enough, it became the turning point. It became Jira. Now they had the product. But in 2003, selling software wasn't like what it is today. It meant wearing suits, going to golf courses, and whining and dining with clients. But Mike and Scott believed that good software should be bought, not sold. So they simply put Jira up for digital purchase on their website, and it worked. American Airlines found Jira online, they used it internally, and absolutely loved it. That moment is what made Jira the Jira every developer knows today. That's how two kids who hated suits became Australia's first tech startup billionaires.